Big order. The big order is here. Thank you. So I just got woken up by Amazon. Yes, first world problems, first world problems. I just got a package delivered, which I'm really excited about because yesterday I missed the package because your girl was asleep. But today I got the package and my boyfriend helped me to go pick it up. And yeah, it was all downstairs. It was a bunch of boxes, which I'm really excited about because it's something for Vlogmas. Yes, that's my retainer. Don't judge me. But it's something for Vlogmas. And there's some more things that I'm going to be setting up and I'm going to be teaching you guys. You guys will see. There's more stuff. All the things in the packages are for In75. Nothing is for me. But still, amazing things to come. I'm going back to bed because I only slept 5 hours. So I need to go back to sleep. Good night, guys. Good night / good morning / good afternoon. Bye.
It's official, y'all. It's the first day of Vlogmas, but I'm already editing and posting everything, so now it's probably like day 4 or 5. Anyway, I'm awake now, back from my UPS slumber. I have to finish editing the first vlog of Vlogmas, even though today is the first day of Vlogmas. I gotta keep editing this video. I have to actually edit today, right now. And I still gotta sew all this stuff, which has not been sewn, but there's only one me. And I gotta do what I can and not worry about what I can't do. So I am going to finish getting my butt a coffee. And then I'm gonna get my butt back in that chair so that I can continue to edit and edit and edit. But I'm pretty far because I'm doing something really cute for the Vlogmas intro. You guys have already seen it because it's already at the beginning of this video, and now I have to actually edit the footage for the first day of Vlogmas, which I actually started. You guys already have seen it, so I don't even need to explain it to you. I'm gonna keep editing, I'm gonna get back to you, and I am going to be finished cutting and sewing today because everything has to be on the site before the last few days of shipping is due, and I have somewhere I'm going, so I have to also get everything done before I go where I'm going. I gotta go. This is where we are right now at this moment in time. I have to go move my car. Oh, there's a little city down there. I need to delete that. Anyway, I have to go move my car. I'll be back. It's freezing cold. But I'm out here looking at the brownstones. Like and subscribe so I can afford a brownstone because your girl wants to stay. Okay, guys, so it is moments like these. Hold on, I'm going to show you guys the final render in a second, but I want to tell you guys something. Okay, so I've been working like 17 hours a day and barely sleeping and getting the craziest amount of work done that I've ever done in my life. And I'm so tired and I'm so, split between what should I do this, should I do that, what should I do next, like where to move next, because I'm now doing this entire collection by myself for the first time, working completely on an island of my own. But it's moments like right now it is December 1st at 8:40 p.m. But it is moments like these when I'm up against like needing to launch this collection, needing to make this collection big, which I'm so excited about. And I just made something really, really fucking cool that I'm proud of. That's something that like every other company that I wanted to be at and that I was working for, I wanted to implement more 3D in the marketing and just grow in sustainability and incorporate 3D with sustainability. And everyone did not want to understand what I meant. And it's moments like what I just made in Blender that make me be like, yes, I made the right decision to just work on my own business and use 3D and make things as sustainably as possible. It's moments like these when I see all of the hours that I've been spending learning about 3D and like all of my freaking research and sleepless nights that it just feels good. It just feels really good to make something that I'm proud of and that I'm obsessed with and that I'm excited about for once, and knowing that I'm not just creating something that's going to go in a landfill. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the render. I'm going to put it on the screen, and I'm also going to show you guys the video. And as you guys already know, if you don't know, there is a New Year's Eve giveaway. So to all of my subscribers, thank you guys for helping me grow this community, and it's just been really eye-opening on who I am myself as a creative, as a designer, and very liberating to just put stuff out into the universe, hopefully share anything you guys want to know about 3D, about digital. I also stream 3D sometimes. I'm not streaming right now, but I do stream, so if there's something you want me to stream, you can comment down below, leave a green heart, and I will make sure to look at it. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. And I am sharing all this 3D like stuff. So if you guys want to learn, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. Hold on. I'll put it on the screen so you guys get a good picture. And there's gonna be the video at the end of the video. I'm gonna post like the full rendered. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I have to go. I have to get back to work, but I'm so freaking excited. Bye. Y'all, I am editing these YouTube videos. As editing Maria right now, I'm kind of freaking out. There's only one of me. I'm the only person editing all of this stuff, and I still have to sew everything, and I still have to update the website, because apparently in these videos I was talking about how I updated the website. Y'all, it's 4:46 a.m. I feel like I am going to do what I have not been doing. I'm gonna go to bed early today. I'm about to put in all these pictures, make all my proxies tonight, render the Vlogmas intro while I'm asleep, because it's gonna be taking forever to render. And all of this editing that has to be done for Vlogmas day 1 and 2 and high key day 3 is gonna be tomorrow Maria's problem. I'm jumping ship. I'm gonna be working for the next 25 minutes, 20 minutes. Your girl's going to bed today. I'm going to bed 3 hours earlier than I did yesterday. I'm about to go to bed, and I'm about to try to start waking up earlier. I just think I'm not gonna do this today. I'm gonna do as much as I can, and I'm gonna go to bed, because I've been working 17 hours every day for the last 2-3 weeks, several months, this whole year. No, I'm going to bed. I'm done, y'all. I'm going to bed tonight. But it's all getting done. It's all getting sorted. But why did that girl say that? Now editing Maria has to do what that girl said in the morning. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go, and I gotta go to bed. Good night. I'm so excited. N75 is doing its first ever giveaway from now until December 31st. To our YouTube subscribers, we will be giving away, the first prize will be an airbrushed handbag, the second prize will be our sunglass case, and our third prize will be our new leather mirror. Make sure to check out all of the rules in the description, and also a link to how to enter the giveaway is also in the description. See you guys soon.